back to another installment of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and I'm here with the infamous co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Let's get straight into our hot topic today with the Kim Kardashian. So Kim is saying that she feels trapped in her relationship with Kanye West.
Kim was thinking that they need to be apart. She knows that it's not healthy for her to be around him now, and it's honestly not healthy for the kids.
My advice to you, Kim, is to walk out the front door.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
So Drea Michelle has been cut off by Rihanna from her Nigga J. What do you have to say about this, Dr. Ross?
Drea Michelle, formerly of Basketball Wives, went viral for all the wrong reasons, and now Drea is in danger of losing her job with Savage Fenty. Drea Michelle appeared on Van Lathan's Wine and Weed podcast and shared that she was here for Meg Thee Stallion and Tory Lanez having their own Bobby and Whitney moment, and that she wants someone to love her so much that they shoot her in the foot. Considering that Drea Michelle is a brand ambassador for Savage Fenty and Rihanna was the victim of a DV situation with Chris Brown, this wasn't very smart for Drea to say.
First of all, you should have kept your mouth shut because, first of all, we know that Megan Thee Stallion probably got hit with a BB gun, but we're not going to talk too much about that. Let's get into our next hot topic.
Yeah, boy.
And for Drea Michelle, we heard that you got a little bit of a falling out with Rihanna, but we may be the partners that you are looking for, Drea Michelle, Black King Sebastian and I, with the Jamaican clothing line. We know that you sell clothes, and Rihanna, by the way, before we go on to Drea Michelle, Rihanna, we will be DMing you and contacting you about our Jamaican clothing because we know we got what you need. We're the part you need and Drea Michelle needs.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Let's move on to our next hot topic with Miss Angelina Jolie, the queen of scandal. So recently, her photos of her as a teenager were leaked out onto the internet. What are your opinions on this hot topic, Dr. Ross?
All I want to say is leaked, they've been out. With Angelina Jolie, they have more photos of Angelina Jolie than a supermodel. And we just want to say no disrespect to you because we love you, Angelina Jolie, but when you were a little kid, you were a crumb cruncher. And now you are Vixen, the mother of scandal.
That's right, Dr. Ross. And that's why we put you as the winner for the She's Hot contest.
Exactly.
These were all of our hot topics for today. But Kylie Jenner, that's for you. Make sure to stay on the horse. And stay tuned for the Jamaican hair gel and clothing line, which is out and available for purchasing today.
Exactly.
DM us if you want to buy some of the clothing or hair gel. We also have our Teespring merch that is up. We'll put it in the link in the description below, as well as our Patreon and our Soundcloud. We'll catch you guys on the next installment.
But before we close it off, I know you're wondering where we're at right now, and we're going to just run that up for you. We are in our limo right now, heading to a nice little horse event, and our agents and managers have hooked us up with someone, and they want to hire Black King Sebastian and I to host the event. So that's what we're doing right now, but Black King Sebastian, close it off for us.
We out.